Hello everyone, welcome to chapter 2 of Sai in My Thoughts. He kept his promise. Few years later, on a sunny day, he is sitting under the shade of a tree. His eyes are closed, but he is able to watch not only the surroundings but also the total universe. He is listening to the cuckoo sounds of the birds and enjoying. He is smiling at them as if he is understanding the conversation of the birds. All other animals like dogs, cattle are coming to him. He is patting them. The animals are enjoying his love and affection. It is appearing like a Gokul and he is appearing like Lord Sri Krishna. Even though it is not in his vicinity, he saw a horse eating the grass in a bush far away from that place. He laughed. He knows that it is a beginning. Meanwhile, a person came running, his eyes searching for something. He is much worried. His name is Chand Patil. Chand Patil approached him in a hurry. What are you searching for? He asked Chand Patil very innocently, with a smile on his face. I am searching for my horse. It is missing. I have been searching for it for a long time. It is my beloved horse. Have you seen it by any chance? Chance! He laughed loudly. It is not a chance. It is Allah's wish. Nothing in the universe can happen without His wish. Chand Patil is staring at him, his words giving him relief from his tension. Go and search there. He pointed out the direction. Chand Patil again questioned him. Have you seen my horse going that side? He looked at Chand Patil and said, Belief is the stepping stone for success. Believe my word. All good will happen to you. Chand Patil went running in that direction. Chand Patil's eyes are shining with happiness. To his surprise, Chand Patil's horse is there, grazing the grass. He felt much excited. Chand Patil came back to him with his horse. Chand Patil is patting the horse with love. His face is glowing. With folded hands, Chand Patil uttered, How can I thank you? You helped me a lot. Though you have not seen me previously, you saved me from my suffering. Chand Patil sat near his feet. He smiled and said, I know you. I know your horse. I know everyone. I am here to help my loved ones. Then he asked, Do you like to taste the smoke of chilim on this happy occasion? His words are so mesmerizing that Chand Patil was very much attracted and nodded his head in acceptance with great gratitude. Chand Patil asked, But how to ignite it? We have no fire and water here. His face became pink with laughter. He slowly pulled out a small wooden stick from his joli. The stick is small in size but big in fortunes by being with him all the time. It is like a Murali in Lord Krishna's hand. It is eager to show miracles to people with the power it got by his tender touch. People call it as Satka. Suddenly, he hit the satka on the ground. It is a wonder. How can anybody believe this? Water came out from that place.
झलञ्जल जटाधराय नमः नमोऽस्तु ते गङ्गाधराय नमः.
Then he drove the satka into the ground. The fire came out.
यज्ञमय अनन्ताय अविष्णे नमोऽस्तु ते.
He wet the chilim with water and ignited it with the fire. Chand Patil is unable to believe his eyes. Chand Patil asked him in a shaky voice, "Where do you live? Who are you?" He replied with a smooth voice, "I have no place to live, but every place is mine." Chand Patil felt that he is not an ordinary person. He wants to serve him. He asked him politely, "Can you come with me?" How lucky is Chand Patil? He accepted Chand Patil's request without any hesitation. How much good fortune that land has! How much good fortune Chand Patil and his horse have! He selected them as Karta to start his journey in the village Shirdi. But for us, he is the Karta, he is the Karma, and he is the Kriya. He who can ignite the fire with his wish, he who can create water with his desire, he who can make you to wish and fulfill your wish. Surrender to him. Om Sai Ram. Every Thursday, I will post one chapter from my book, Sai in My Thoughts. Please watch. Thank you.